See? There, it didn't do it. Now try it with your foot on the gas a little bit.
You let off, it dies.
Yeah. And then you let off and it dies right away.
It's an intermittent thing.
Yeah, worked perfectly fine before, and now it won't, and then it will, and... Huh? No. You have your foot on the gas right now? Huh?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. What do you have for RPM?